Hi, we're back from intermission, which was about 24 hours actually. And today, starting, I think this is part 9. But having gone over the basics, there are some larger questions, and we're going to have to bring other points in the horoscope into it. And the big question in my mind today is, well, how long will this COVID pandemic last? COVID-19, we said it was probably going to modulate into COVID-20. This is all based on astrology and a speculation. I also am indebted to the people who, Ralph Nelson Elliot, who invented or discovered Elliot waves, and his modern practitioners being Robert Prechter and a fellow I follow by the name of Danerick. Used to be a fellow named Tony Calderon, but he died, and he was so I followed these guys for the last 20, 30 years, and so that's something that I take into account too when looking at the stock market as being kind of in this case an indicator of the progress or lack thereof of civilization. Now, not that I was ever clever enough to make any money at the stock market, but still, it's an interesting study, and in that it is an index of the rise and fall of civilizations, you might say. So, interestingly, what some of the Elliott wave guys, and every Elliott wave guy is going to have a slightly different opinion. They don't want to be copycats after all, and it is an art form, much as they like to believe it's a science. But it's like astrology. There's there's a great deal of truth in it. And if we could get our wishful thinking out of the way, it would probably be more useful. But then again, if we didn't have wishful thinking, why bother? But anyway, some of the Elliott wave people think that the big biggie is coming, and the big biggie meaning the down wave, the C wave, various called, but we have